Chart patterns. Sideways trend. Whenever there is a longer period of time in which the peaks and valleys run horizontally, we speak of a sideways trend. We can differentiate between short, intermediate and long trends. After 4 weeks, a short trend turns into an intermediate trend, which itself turns into a long trend after 12 months. In the short term, you'll be able to find sideways trends for practically all domains. They are a sign of a temporary equilibrium, where there are not strong signals for Google to adjust the domain either up or downwards. It is much rarer to see long-term sideways trends. They are usually found on pages that have changed little over a long period of time and which are an authority for specific keywords. If we look at the domain for the well-known British soccer club Manchester United, manutd.com, then we can watch a relatively stable long sideways channel. The domain ranks mostly for search queries containing the brand name, such as Manchester United tickets. The domain is naturally an authority for such keywords, and those rankings are relatively safe if no major technical mistakes are made. If we look at more general keywords outside of their brand, such as football and Champions League, we are unable to find the domain anywhere within the top 100 results. Thanks to these safe keywords, Manchester United's visibility moves mostly sideways, and we could also speak of it as them being in a sort of stasis. Another reason for a sideways trend is when you are the SEO leader within a segment, where you also have good rankings for strongly contested keywords. There is an upper limit of the visibility you can reach within a segment, and at a specific point, there is simply no more room for big growth rates up top anymore. The different country-specific versions for the Wikipedia are good examples of this. Here we have a domain that is on a nearly constant sideways trend at a very high level. In such a case, a sideways trend is a positive sign, as the market leadership is successfully being defended. The chance of gaining more visibility is much lower than the risk of losing visibility by interfering with a working system.